you hear it? The sheer panic.
Don't panic! Don't panic!
Disappointing unemployment numbers and the stock market's predictable reaction to them. But this is good news in real estate. Stay with me. This is the exact information we needed to get those damn interest rates to go down. Listen closely. There are a ton of potential home buyers waiting for rates to go down so that they can jump into the market, and then you get that demand is going to increase. Additionally, there are tons of homeowners that are waiting for the rates to come down so that it makes sense for them to leverage their equity and move up into their next desired home without a dramatic delta from their current interest rate. Inventory and options will rise. And guess what? More inventory plus more demand equals a healthier market, of course, and further appreciation for the Bay Area market. Case Schiller, a very well-regarded expert in the real estate community, just recently stated that hopeful homeowners who are waiting for interest rates to drop dramatically are missing out. This past year has been yet another strong year for appreciation. There's a link to that article below. It reminds me of that old adage, don't cut off your nose to spite your face. The opportunity that you've been waiting for, it's here, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for.
There is always going to be an available excuse that holds you back from homeownership if you look for it. The same can be said for almost anything: investments, vacations, heck, even relationships. Do yourself a favor and don't be one of those sheep in the flock. Aim for your goals of finally owning that home and go get it. You'll thank me later.